In this video, I want to show you how you can improvise a simple edge sander that works really well for fitting cabinet doors. The exact details are going to vary depending on the kind of belt sander you have, but take a look at what's going on here. This is an ordinary handheld belt sander, and it's clamped on its side with an improvised bed that you can work against. So in this case, with this particular Porter cable, I've put the sander on top of a piece of plywood, and the plywood doesn't, this piece of plywood here, does not extend much past this point because the back roller extends down a little bit lower than the bottom side of the machine. So I needed to create some clearance for that. I've got a clamp here that's holding the sander in place, not with a whole lot of pressure because this is just a cover, so it's not all that strong. So I've just got it clamped in place gently. And then this piece of ash, just some scrap ash I had lying around, it's secured in the end vise of my bench. So it's not going anywhere, but it raises the work surface up past the bottom of the belt so that I can sand edges of thin materials quite precisely this way. Now, the only thing you need to be especially careful about is that the surface of the abrasive belt is 90 degrees to the bed. So just give that a check, because the sander doesn't necessarily need to clamp square depending on the model you're using. This one happens to clamp quite square, so we're ready to go and ready to start doing some edge sanding here.